Welcome to the world's first coin-operated car vending machine by Carvana. After one of our customers buys their car 100% online, they can have it delivered to their home or come here, where they insert a fist-sized coin in a coin slot and have their car dispensed right at their feet. After that, our customers enjoy a 7-day return policy. But unlike regular old vending machines, this one is capable of carrying any of the thousands of cars in our inventory. So move over, candy and soda. There's a new vending machine in town.
Did you hear that? Move over, candy and soda? Unbelievable. Come on, let's show them who's boss. Go, go, go!
Why didn't I think of this? Car vending machine? I'll take a 4-door Kappa Mocha Maca Latte. Drive it in the espresso lane. Gotta love a 7-day testone, huh? I'm testoning these sour cream and onion yummy nuts. Ah! Cannibal!
Thousands of cars to choose? What about sodas? Shut this abomination down! I'll do it! Don't make me!
It's foolish these cars are taking over our vending machines. We must unite chocolate and peanut butter and set aside our differences to take back our home.
No. You can't chew a car.
Joy everywhere. All this happiness makes me sick. Where do you think you're going? Get back here! Soda rule!